Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Nice to see so many friends together under one roof at this very stylish evening organized by the Hindustan Times. Style legend female goes to a great lady, a great actress who I've had the pleasure of acting with, Raveena Tandon.
Congratulations, Raveena ji.
Thank you, thank you.
So my question is very simple.
Ji.
Because, we've been seeing you since the 90s. And 90s, everyone was, at the mercy of fashion. कि जो नया fashion आया, हमने वो पहन लिया. But you've always stood out beyond the curve. How? Why? Any special reasons?
आई थिंक पहली बात तो उस समय हम लोग सब हट्टे कट्टे खाते पीते घर से आते थे
जी.
तो वी वर ऑल वेरी हैप्पी विद जो भी दे दिया होता था हम पहन लेते थे
जी.
आई थिंक वी वर ऑल वेरी हैप्पी विद दैट सो वी ऑल लाइक गो विद द फ्लो व्हाटएवर इट वाज वीड वेयर इट बट यस आई थिंक I have been a little experimental. I always was. You mentioned the song "Sheher Ki Ladki." I think that did it for a lot of people. But I think I can happily claim to say I think I was the first person to get a tattoo in the whole industry when there were no tattoos and no tattoo parlors in India. I actually went to an eyebrow tattooing person and said ke it was a very interesting story actually. I drew a full Scorpio. From midday I copied the whole Scorpio and everything. I said I want a Scorpio and I think it's damn cool and stuff. So the tattoo wali looks at me. I mean, she was an eyebrow tattoo artist. Okay, there were no tattoo parlors in 92. And she looks at me and says, ये आपको ये बनाना है छाती पर? मैं कहा ये तो झींगा है. I said no, it's not a prawn, it's a Scorpio. And I was trying to be this like really cool black magic Scorpio woman thing. Didn't work. She made a झींगा, then I had to go to LA and actually get it redone into a scorpion. So yeah, I guess fashion at that time was experimental.
But are you more fashionable today or do you think you were more fashionable back in the days?
Well, I have a stylist now. Yay, I have a team now. Yay. No, jokes apart, I think at that time we styled ourselves. There was a little more casual dressing.
Fair enough.
But now, yes, we have the Paps and we have the style team and we have the works. So I think I kind of turn out better nowadays, yeah. And I give credit to my entire team. Thank you so much, all of you out there for this.
Thank you
It's
so
because
much.
of them.
Thank you. A huge round of applause for our style legend,
Thank you
Raveena
so much.
Tandon. Thank you.
Thank you.